I will show the full setup of Cisco Packet Tracer from very beginning and also fix the login issue. Watch till the end and you won't need any other tutorials. Open any web browser and search for Packet Tracer download. I attach the link on description. Click on the first link and wait for the page to load. Scroll down and you will see 3 download links for different operating systems. But if you click on download now, it will ask you to log in first. So click on login, wait a moment for the login page to appear. Choose login with Google and confirm your email. Here select your region and state, then click continue. Scroll down again and select Windows version. Click download and it will start the download automatically. After downloading, double click on the file to start installation. Follow this step. Then click finish. If it asks for any permission, just click yes. Now Packet Tracer will open and ask you to continue with your account. You will see 2 options to log in. First one, Network Academy. If you select this option, sometimes you get stuck with loading. Second one, Skill for All. Click on the Skill for All option. If you face the browser switching problem while logging, then open Windows Search and type default app. From here, select your favorite app as default. Done. Now go back to Packet Tracer, choose Skill for All and it will complete self-login. You should now see a successful login message. Close the browser and you are ready to explore. For confirmation, I closing the Packet Tracer and open it again. See, I can now use all features without any problem.